Dear USA, all nations, and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I just want to have this as a generic civil justice sign off. Whatever I want for the civil justice, for I am displaying the USA government errors, public sector errors, private sector errors, and how USA government operations got destroyed, and for displaying the absolute monarchs scandal. I, Vedapriya Prose, wanted these civil justice to be provided to me. Okay, so I'll just read this sign off so that it will be in all these other sessions. Okay, so for I, Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, and true owner of USA, and proved USA is Tamil Nadu, and I, Vedapriya Prose, have highest impasse eligibility to lead USA. I must be the interim leader of USA now is civil justice served. And for I, Vedapriya Prose, displayed USA government errors and the scandal of absolute monarchs to USA government. I, Vedapriya Prose, for civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines. I, Vedapriya Prose, want United States of America nation to rename Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu, India, after my name Vedapriya is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations, now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Family Law and Supreme Chief Children Judge for all nations is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations, to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organizations, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Export, Department of Military in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to be the ambassador for all nations, starting with India, and I, Vedapriya Prose, should get dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. And thank you all for your time. Take care, my dear fellow mankind. I sure will get civil justice for entire human kingdom in 1 minute. Thank you all for your time. Bye for now. Say all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans. I hope we are all on the same page. So I will quickly same page on this regard of why I am signing the civil justice for myself. It is because the United States of America, with fatal negligence, enforced poverty to I and created robocall that is crime. Right. So I will quickly read through the civil justice. Okay, to be on the same page and to keep the session short. Victims of abuse, patients, medical compensations, claims billing process as of February 2021. Prostitution Babylon USA at fault found guilty in all counts of crime of Vatican for with fatal negligence. USA nation created robocall poverty mandate to I, Vedapriya Prose, a true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, and as of February 2021, a nation having civil law agency do not have birthrights to allow criminal justice in nation, and it is fatal negligence of criminal justice and civil justice agency of USA for created robocall poverty mandate because of fatal negligence, and it is deadliest crime enough for nation to be sealed and shut down for disqualified to be nation. Antichrist, Lucifer, Satan, Roman province, Jesuits, Vatican, Pope Francis created finance law, hell poverty mandate. So civil justice for at fault found guilty USA nation is Part A, USA prostitution criminal, Britain, Charles Darwin theory, must sign off tax free, $500,000 trillion, direct deposit to my bank account for fatal negligence and created robocall poverty mandate. And Part B, USA prostitution civil, Britain, Charles Darwin theory, must sign off tax free, $500,000 trillion and 1,000,000 trillion direct deposit to my bank account for Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis created N-word and dogs addressing mankind and destroying human brain nerve cells when there is a at fault found guilty Charles Darwin theory is proved. worldwide with fatal negligence and created robocall poverty mandate. And prostitution USA nation took away $4,500 in October 2018. And with fatal negligence at fault found guilty, USA nation enforced crime 1 USA nation poverty mandated to I waive the prior process, and crime 2 USA nation finance disability took away $4,500 on October 2018 mandated disability to I waive the prior process. And crime 3 is USA finance debt $10,210.38 mandated to I waive the prior process. And the 3 counts of crime of USA nation comes under the classification of domestic violence types, that is breach of duty, intentional infliction of emotional distress, causation and injury, battery and types, assault and types, false imprisonment and types, and trespass to land chattels and types. And at fault found guilty, Supreme Judge Brett Kavanaugh told the rightful job belongs to I waive the prior process, for I waive the prior process should have been elected as Supreme Judge of USA on October 2018, and just to steal the rightful job belonged to I waive the prior process alone. So Republican GOP leader Mitch McConnell, President Trump, and Brett Kavanaugh created robocall poverty mandate to I waive the prior process on October 2018, and I waive the prior process wants civil justice according to the Holy Bible guidelines on Roman Province Vatican Jesuits leader Antichrist Pope Francis must resign now, for Pope Francis created criminal law is hell law, and for fatal negligence of criminal law and civil law in all 50 states of USA is 100 counts of fatal negligence, for total count of 100 counts of fatal negligence of criminal law and civil law agency of USA. So Jesuits Roman province of USA must pay tax free $100 billion and direct deposit to my bank account in next 1 second, and I waive the prior process to become the Vatican leader. Now is civil justice served. Thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now.